Okay, so now we're talking about the Dark Queen in the shadows. I want to introduce this lady to you because she's very cool. She is her realm. She's the twin sister of the Queen. Her realm is backstage. She stands on the sidelines behind stage, waiting for those shadow parts of ourselves to come up. Shadow parts, the things that we don't know about. She's a little bit more reserved, and she does this. And I'm wearing my glasses for effect. And when we engage her in a dialogue, she's very poignant. So she's very direct, no baloney. She knows what she's talking about, and she'll give it to you straight out. We use the term shadow because this is all the stuff in our lives that we're not necessarily aware of. Guilt, self-esteem issues, all of those negative things that we may say about ourselves, those are called shadows. And those are meat and potatoes aspects of ourselves that we don't necessarily know about. And Dark Queen in the Shadows is the subject matter specialist. Her realm is all of that stuff that we don't know about that plays itself out in our lives that we have an opportunity to learn from. So how do we use our Dark Queen in the shadows in our day-to-day lives? One example I can give, so I come home from work, I'm feeling stressed out from my day, and I'm just miffy overall. And I'm taking out that miffiness, that anger, on my husband, who's not terribly pleased with it because it annoys him too. What do I do in that situation with my Dark Queen in the shadows is I'm going to go step aside, I'm going to engage, I'm going to basically ask some questions and say what is going on here. If I'm on automatic pilot, just being generally upset and angry, I can't do anything with that. So I'm going to use my Dark Queen in the shadows. We're going to sit down and we're going to ask some questions of that anger to draw out specifics. So we're entering into a dialogue with our Dark Queen in the shadows because she's there to help us know and learn about those aspects of ourselves that play out in our relationships. So when we get into arguments with our husband, or we have disagreements, or even at work, I mean, these things are helpful in our relationships outside of the one with our partner, but also with ourselves. For example, I have an aspect of myself that's part of my shadow that takes me into a place of not liking myself very much. And so when I dialogue with my queen, she helps me identify what's going on there, and then I can do something with that information so that it doesn't keep playing itself and dragging me down. So she brings me to a positive place, and then I can be my queen again. For more information on The Love Chick, visit thelovechick.com and join in on the conversation. Head over to Facebook. It's all about love, right? Love, love, love. Yes.